Hi, and welcome to Step Up AT's device demonstration videos. Today we will be featuring adapted toys.
Review, please. What happened?
Adapted toys are useful for students with fine motor and/or gross motor difficulties. Rather than having to press small buttons to activate a battery-operated toy, a child can use his or her open palm, elbow, head, foot, or any other body part to activate the toy. This works by having the toy connected to an external switch, such as a Big Mac, and giving the child a larger surface area to activate the toy and get that cause and effect feedback. Children as young as 3 or 4 can start noticing how the world works around them and that they can manipulate and control different tools. There are several switches available, such as the Cush switch, the Jelly Bean switch, the Big Mac switch, and many more. All of them have extension cords that connect to the toy. Adapted toys have an output where the cord of the switch connects to. Once the toy is on, a child can activate the toy. It is important to allow children opportunities to engage with their environment and their peers, and adapted toys is one way to do this. The child can activate toy cars, bubbles, or dancing toys in the playground, which can be inviting to children around them. This can be their first opportunity to play with their peers. Children can also use switches to activate the radio for circle time, to turn the lights on in the classroom, and many more ways. We have attached a document that includes 50 partial participation ideas for children to use with switches, so be sure to check that out. Thank you for tuning in.